Labour minister seeks budget raise to boost job creation. Adeleke's aide, APC chieftain, disagree over 2026 Osun governorship bid. 3 persons drown, 19 rescued as passenger boat capsizes in River State of Nigeria. Omahe reinstates commitment to rebuilding Nigeria's highway for growth. Police force ban tinted glass, covered plates in Ondo State of Nigeria. Trump to end diversity programs, define 2 genders, official says. Rebase CPI to improve economic data, enhance policy making, NBC. Based on Salome Adaidu, Temilehin's Ajayi's father begs for his son's release. Ekiti state government pledges to boost FUOYE's infrastructure. The Nigerian police force arrests 4 corps members, 8 students for internet fraud. NCC approves 50% tariff hike for telecoms. Local government poll. MPP urges Electoral Commission to shun distraction. Improved security. Other key points at Trump's inauguration as 47th US president. Zamfara State seeks urgent action on IDP's crisis. The Nigerian police force rescues 207 abducted children, foil bandit attack in Kogi, Katsina. Katsina releases 3 billion naira for community development. Each word gets 10 million naira. The federal government eyes 21% ICT contribution to GDP by the year 2027. Kwara State shuts forests to tackle illegal tree falling and others. Vandals attack gas pipelines, causes power outage in 9 Abia communities. Minister seeks additional funding for renewed hope cities and others. 2027 budget. National Assembly summons Edun Bagudu over inadequate solid mineral allocation. Only 100,000 POS operators are registered, statement made by CAC. Cashew farmers decry drop in production, seeks revival. English Premier League. Man City signs Uzbekistan defender Kusunov from Lens. Trump plans system overhaul to protect American families and workers. We will return millions, halt illegal entries. Trump threatens mass deportation. Senate asks MDAs to present result-driven implementable budget. Keyamo announces plans for aircraft manufacturing firm in Nigeria. Niger frees journalists detained over anti-junta broadcasts. Thank you, my lovely people, for watching. Please love, like, and share. This is Daily Network News. On behalf of Daily Network News, DNN, I'm bringing you this update. Please like, comment, and share. I love you all, and God bless you.